Jay 선생님 멋있어.
Shout out to all the performers, you know, Johnny Flo, The Cypher, Clara, Ailey, and shout out to KSA for the music they put on the show. So let's give them a hand. Yeah, I guess we'll start by introducing ourselves. Here you go, Tony. Oops. What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? I'm Cha-Cha. Hi, my name is Jay. Hi, my name is Junior. Yeah, we took this show on very short notice, so we didn't really have time to prepare. So what we're gonna do is we got some towels from fans, and we got some extra ones. So we're gonna give those out as prizes. Wait a second. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play some games. Okay?
Yeah.
So Junior here, who's seen Ninja Assassin?
Yeah.
Hey, you know the part where he does the handstand pushes on the nails?
Yeah.
He does that every day with weights on his ankles. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is Junior's gonna pick someone. Who here's good at handstands?
Somewhat.
Who?
Somewhat.
What we're gonna do is you're gonna have a handstand contest with Junior, right? And if you win, you get the towel. Yeah. So who wants to play a game with Junior? Come on. All right. Allison, all right. Allison here and Junior, what they're gonna do, they're gonna start from right there. And whoever can walk over to me on their hands the fastest, they win.
What?
Right?
Oh.
Wait a second. Hey, if you want to stretch, feel free. I love you too. All right. Hey. Can you be in the middle and be like the girl when they do the drag races? Alright, Chase, put up your hand, and whenever you put down your hand, that's when you go. Go! Good job, man. Oh, I think Al's the B-boy. Alright, I mean, he did so well, I think we're gonna have to give him the towel anyways. Here you go, man. Good job. Alright, so we got another game prepared. Oh yeah, you can just go and take a seat. Thank you, Austin. Hey, let's give Austin a hand. Alright, so Chase over here. Oh yeah, Chase is a really dope, he's a really good producer. Cha-Cha's a really good producer, so hey, go out there and listen to his music, okay? Okay, anyways, he's really good at rock, paper, scissors. He's a champion of the world.
Really?
Right? He's a champion of the world. So, Chase, it's your pick.
Yeah, 여기.
It's your pick.
여기.
Oh, the stairs are... Where are the stairs? Hey, you're supposed to take your hand and stuff. Okay. Hi, what's your name? Sarah. Okay. Chase, will you come over here? And it's the best 2 out of 3. And remember, he's the world champion, so you gotta flex on him and stuff. Okay. All right. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay, so the rhythm is. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! I told you he's good. All right. Another one. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Yes, no, you guys gotta do one more. And whoever wins this one is the winner.
Let the girl win. She's a girl.
All right. The final one. Get ready. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, Chase is now out of the crew. I'm just playing. Thank you for playing. All right. So the next game we have B-boy Dialtone here. He was born without eyelids.
What?
No one can beat him at a staring contest. All right?
Really? Oh.
No one. So
I'm really
whoever
good
wants to
at
do a staring contest with Dialtone, raise your hand.
Go. Go.
Oh. Oh yeah. All right, I see you.
Run, run, run. Run.
All right, she's taking some time to come down.
Don't trip.
All right. Have some background music. All right. What's your name? Bernie. Okay. Come right over here. All right. Hey, are you sure you want to scratch or anything? All right. He's ready. All right. Hey, you don't have no stretches for you? All right. No. All right. So when I say go, you guys are gonna start, okay?
Huh?
No peeking. Come on. All right. Wait. Are you trying to play the game or are you trying to do something else?
Oh!
Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go!
Don't blink. Don't blink.
Wow. You guys are just losers today.
What the heck?
Yeah, except for Junior. Junior, you're the best. Good job. Thank you. Alright, so the next game.